Okay, so I gotta be real with you guys about something. OVO has been absolutely robbing all of my money lately. Like, Drake, chill, please. So, just recently, OVO, my favorite clothing brand, did a collaboration with the Toronto Raptors, my favorite basketball team. And you know how that goes. Mitchell and Ness, OVO, that's literally a dream collaboration. And of course, they had to drop a piece that I've been waiting for basically my entire life. Alright, so the UPS man just came. I'm very excited to get into this package. Want to be extra careful not to damage the product. And there we go, just tears open nice and easy. Oh Lord, am I excited for this one. Proceed for the receipt, please. And here we go. My favorite OVO piece from the past decade. OVO, you guys have absolutely outdone yourselves with this one. As a longtime Raptors fan, I've been waiting from time for a collaboration like this. The purple vintage Raptors jerseys are my absolute favorite from the Vince Carter era. I already owned these shorts just with like the regular Raptors classic purple ones, but when I saw OVO was doing their own spin on it, I absolutely had to have them. All right, let's tear these guys open and try them on. Oh my goodness.
Breathe air.
Oh my god, these are crispy. Oh my goodness. So I'm just gonna give you guys a nice look at the front, nice look at the back. As you can see, nothing really on the back, but my goodness, the quality on these is insane. I'm gonna show you guys some of the details. So first of all, right on the front left pocket, we got the embroidered OVO Raptors patch, which looks absolutely insane. And on the left thigh of the shorts, we just have another beautiful embroidered OVO owl, which looks fantastic. And on the other side, on the right side thigh, we have the classic Raptors logo embroidered as well. And my god, like I said, OVO have outdone themselves on this one with the triple embroidered patch. Like seriously, I have to give them amazing props for that. These are an incredible pair of shorts. And just the cherry on top, a feature that I never noticed until I had them in hand. But right on the waistband, as you can see, you got that 2008 to forever, October's very own. Like seriously guys, I am blown away by this piece of clothing. Like these are amazing. But yeah guys, that's pretty much it on this little video I wanted to make about this pair of shorts, which are absolutely fantastic. If you're a big fan of the Toronto Raptors and especially OVO, definitely head over to the website and get some for yourself. I got super lucky. I've been buying a lot of OVO this year, so I actually got an email for a 25% friends and family discount. Plus I ordered these when there was also free shipping for Black Friday. So in terms of OVO, I got a decent deal on them, but again, they are pretty damn expensive. So let me know what you guys think about them in the comments down below. And if you enjoyed this style of video, let me know. I'd be happy to pump out some more. So with all that said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.